All right, we have our final settings do need to set before we're going published. So in our dashboard, we can see that our path is almost green. We have okay, storyboards, but storyboards I will cover in separate video, but here I want to focus on settings. Here you can add some extra features or disable some based on your needs, and you can enable some features that will help you later on. For example, let's start with the start on the auto approved. As the description is described itself already, but you can enable auto approved feature when people will register into your event and make the payment, like the finalize the payment with the success, right? So after that, they will be already approved to the event. For example, buying a ticket to the zoo, right? They already approved. Nobody is approving your arrival to the zoo, right? So here we'll have buts. We can also make an event that after event initial payment, you as organizer need to review their request, right, to join the event. For example, check the papers, legal, whatever licenses, and so on. And so here you can do it easily. Next was already we mentioned in the ticket section. You can allow users to buy multiple tickets or not, right? That also depends of the type of the event, but we give you a flexibility in this, so you can decide. The same comes with the ticket transfer, right? If people, for example, is buying more than one ticket, probably they want to send those tickets to their friends. In this case, where the tickets transfer is enabled, they can do it from over the web account or mobile account. They have in just in one click, just put the name of the colleagues and send this ticket they already bought it to them. Easy feature, but as I mentioned, also organizers have a rights to enable this or not. That depends of the kind of event they have, and you can set it here. And select some UX UI parts like the participant interest set counter. You can enable it. They are visible on the page, on KajGO web page or on mobile phone application. And you can decide if you want to show those numbers or not. Next one, registration data editing, right? So after the participant finish their registration, even let's say they bought the free ticket, we can give them ability to change or update the participant data. The form they send to us, they can modify it and send them. Like say updating, because sometimes can someone can make some mistake and so on, and they typo and etc. and they want to fix it. We can give them this possibility, and from our side, like the organizer, we can review that, change it, and approve it. It's not like automatically will be approved by the system, but you as an organizer, you need to do it by itself, or your colleagues that working with you. And the next part is like the cancellation of unpaid reservation. As we are selling tickets, right? We want to be sure that we sell everything, and we want to drop those reservations, as we call it, for the paid tickets that was not fulfilled in the end. So we can enable this feature and make the timeline for this. For example, let's make the those tickets that are not unpaid will disappeared and will they back to the pool after 12 hours. And as the statement below shows, after 6 hours, the participant will got the notification. Hey guys, you forgot to pay, or you have some errors, so they try to pay those tickets, or it will be your registration will be rejected based on our policy, blah blah blah. So here you can set up it, and that's all. Automatically after 12 hours, all tickets that was bought it and not paid will be removed. So all participants will be rejected, and those tickets will be back to the pool. So you have a chance to sell them again. Next part is the regulation of files. Here, as each organizer need to have own registration regulations and so on. So here we have a free ways to do that. You can link to your page or PDF file or whatever, and you are responsibly for what is hidden in that link. Uh, Also, you can make a custom regulation, so you can just copy and paste here some data you already prepared, or you can just upload a file, right? You can drag and drop a PDF file here that will serve for you, and users can review it easily during the registration process. And as a finalization for the settings page is a fundraisers. If, for example, your organization that you are creating and you have already created and is some kind of non-profit organization, foundation, and so on, and they have fundraisers. Also, this fundraiser you can define in our KajGO platform. You can attach this one to this event, so you can bind them easily. For example, if someone is registering to your event, also he can put some extra money like the donations after the registration, or just viewers of your organization can put money all the time when the event is ongoing. And from the setting perspective, that's all. Uh, Review it, read it, all descriptions, and of course, some of those could be, let's say, blocked by the subscriptions. So you need to deep dive in the subscription plans to know which of those are blocked or not, or you will see some extra icon around this that these features are available in higher plan, for example. So after changing those settings, let's make the save the change and be ready for publish.